Okay, today we're doing more Chinese barbecue. This time we're doing a pork butt. It's been marinating for a couple days in this char siu barbecue mix. You can get this on Amazon for about $5. You get three packs of it. It's really good stuff. HEB used to carry it, but I don't see it anymore, so now I just order it. So after it's been marinating for a couple of days, we're going to get it out on the gas grill on high to get a nice sear on it. And then it's going to get wrapped and into the oven for about 8 hours at 225. Let's see what happens. There we go. She's on the grill. Go ahead and close this, and we'll come back in about 5 minutes and give it a flip. Fertilizer. Okay, we're going to do our first turn. Okay, I'd say we're about as charred as I want to be on this. We got one side a little more than the other. That's okay. After about 8 hours in the oven, it's all going to be good. Take our butt there, put it back into our container, grill's off, and off to the oven. Okay, we're going to give it a little coating of some sesame seed oil here, and some actual sesame seeds. Go. Wrap this up tight and then see you in 8 hours. Okay, in the oven for 8 hours at 225. Well, here it is, and all I can say is wow. It just falls apart, kind of like a pulled pork. Bones just fall out of it. Look at that. That's just awesome. You can have it with a little green onion and Scotch bonnet sauce. Maybe some other green. Anyway, turned out pretty good.